Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Spreadsheet. So basically I already opened sheets, a new sheet here in my Google Spreadsheets. You can just go to your Google Drive or the Google Spreadsheet app and start creating your own sheets. So basically here in apps, we can just go down and we will find sheets and it will open this window. And from here, you can start have your table, etc. Basically, all we need to know is to learn first about the menus. So here in the menu file where you can control your file, your versions, etc. Like you can download your file, share it, etc. All concerning about the general settings of the file. From the edit, you can start editing on the content on your sheet. And here in the menu view, you can start showing some things like the formula bar. We don't see it anymore. This is concerning the UI or the user interface, and from the inserts where it's affecting directly the content of the sheet, and the data is just some kind of calcul methods, some tools that you are going to use to help you process the data, and those are some kind of tools and some extensions like plugins, etc. And now basically you can have these cells, you can add some contents on them. So basically we can have some operation here. You will need just to start with equal, and then you do any operation that you want. And from here we can start like modifying on the cells, like adding the font size, font style, the color if you want, like the filling color, the alignments, and you can have also the vertical alignments, etc. And there are many tools that you can start to use. And basically if you want to have some borders for your table, if you want, you will need just to go here, borders. You choose the type of borders, like all borders. You can start adding your calculations. You can start adding your content on here. So basically this is a general tutorial on how to use spreadsheet. Thank you for watching and see you next time.